So welcome to my house store yet again. This version is, like I said, I was going to switch the couches around, put the big one in the middle, which I like. I did the big pillows, which I like. I like huge pillows, and I feel like the couch should be the centerpiece. So this version I'm going to explain things quickly and like where I got them, because I know the video I did before this, the music, I did lower the music. I don't know how it turned out so loud, so I'm just gonna leave the music out, and so we'll start right now. So this is the change that I did. I switched out the little one for the big one, put it in the middle, and added big pillows. Everything else is basically the same. Now we'll start here. And I'm pretty sure you guys got that I said in the last video, these drapes I got at IKEA. They were $30 for 2 panels, so $60 for all 4 panels. I added the bling right there. It was the same one I had on my other curtains. They're very long. You can see they drape at the bottom, which is actually in style, the draping. Chair's the same. Pillow I added or embellished with these little diamonds, and the pillows I got at, where did I get the pillows? Marshalls. Marshalls. I got them at Marshalls. So then we'll go over here. Now the paintings I got at Ross. And I actually blinged them up and painted more. Like I added purple. You can see the purple. It had a teeny bit of purple, and I added in the purple. Plus I added some German glass glitter, if you can see it. So I embellished these. I always have to embellish everything. Even the flowers. I got these flowers at the dollar store. They were, what color? They were pink. And I wanted them blue, so I just spray painted them silver and painted on blue. So I did that. So quickly we'll go. This pillow I got at Burlington. The purple little pillow. It was only $3.99, by the way. This vase and these 2 candle holders I got at Burlington. This I got at Ross. This is the DIY I did in another video, and actually I ended up spray painting. I didn't do it in the video, but I ended up spray painting it silver after all. The dresser, like I said in the last video, is a DIY that I did. I sanded it down, refinished it with a high gloss white, added all new knobs, and that's about it. And we'll go over here. These 2 I got at Burlington. Beautiful, I love them. Burlington's. This, I think, Ross. This was Ross for sure. I love this piece right here. That I had right here. I already had all this stuff, and also had this, and I spray painted this white with a high gloss. And then we'll go over here. The candelabra was a DIY. Somebody asked me what did I add. Actually, I just bought boxes of beads for these, and I got a string, and I just added all these beads. You'll find them at Hobby Lobby. They have all different stuff. They have a big box of these beads, and it's in the wedding section. And then I just added these. These you can get also at a Hobby Lobby. You can get a bunch of these. These as well, they come in a box. And I just basically, I had these. These came as a string. And I had got those at Michael's. So they sell these at Michael's already made. And then I just embellished with these big knobs and stuff. And just, you know. So there's a ton of stuff like this at any craft store that you can get. And you can do it however you want. It just looks good when you bling it up. And that, like with these mirrors, I got these little mirrors at a place called the Dollar King. You could look it up online, dollarking.com. You can order these. It's $12 for $1. And then also I had added this metal piece and glued it on, and they sell this at Hobby Lobby. You can get that, and it's in the wedding section. So, okay, so then we'll go over here. This mirror I got at Pier 1 a couple years ago, I painted it bright white and then just turned it to the side. These paintings were a DIY. Dresser was a DIY. Candelabra, Ross. They have such great stuff at Ross. I think Ross is the cheapest place of all of them. So this lamp was at Ross. And then that thingy right there I got at Burlington. These lamps I got online. I don't know the store. I don't remember it. I just saw them online. They were $50 a piece. And they came out beautifully. They were black, and I did a DIY on these. I actually additionally spray painted them silver, so they're light gray. And then this big piece, I've seen this at Ross in a smaller version, but this I did get at Pier 1, and it was quite expensive. I was so upset when I seen it at Ross. I was like, God, I paid a lot of money for that. And when they had it cheaper, like over half price cheaper, it was unbelievable. But anyways, here's the mirror, DIY I did recently. Beautiful mirror, Hobby Lobby, I love this mirror. Repainted all the walls. So let me give you a little bit better of the house tour. I'll go over here. It's daytime. Usually do them at night, but I figured I'd do it in the daytime. I actually bought these couches online, and I got a super great deal on them, but unfortunately in the picture they looked like a silvery blue, and they're a lot darker than I anticipated. I did not want that color. I actually wanted the color of this wall in the back, if you could see that. It's almost a silver baby blue mix, and that's what I wanted. So I was a little disappointed, but they're nice. Anyways, so here's a whole view from back here. It's such a tiny space, so it's not easy to decorate, but I do like the couch being in the middle like that. I just do. I didn't really like the little one over there. So in the other video, I said, well, this coffee table was a DIY. It used to be black. I got it overstock. I spray painted it? No, I hand painted it white, and then I just added these mirrors. These mirrors I got $1 a piece at Dollar King. And then this stand that I just bought, this stand, I got that at Ross. 99-cent store for these silver candle holders. And I think I basically got everything. It was really difficult for me to even add any color because I really like everything to be light and airy. Like, I would love to have just a white couch, and so I'm always going to be changing up this room. But this is my spring. You know, I finally did add colors, you know, so this is my spring tour. You know me, I'll have another whole new decor probably within the next 6 months. So that is it for talking. I'm gonna just do a few more shots, stop talking, and so you can get a whole room view. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. See you again.